echoes all the secrets fly. Feathers dance to moonlight, catch a twinkling eye. Whisper words of wisdom in the midnight air. African gray parrots know the tales they share. They mimic all the laughter, call the names in glee. Echoes in the treetops, they reflect to you. Conversations endless through the canopy. Voices in the twilight like a symphony. Talking to the cranes, they answer back with flair. Mystery in their chatter, such a lively pair. Perched upon my shoulder, secrets they declare. Wisdom in their whispers floating everywhere. In the morning sunlight they repeat the dawn. Echoes from the forest waking up the fawn. Their tones are full of wonder, stories far and wide. African gray magic that they can't confide. Melodies of nature wrapped in every squawk. Truth and tales entwining in a breezy talk. Every phrase they utter like a riddle spun, connecting hearts and voices till the day is done. Talking to the cranes, they answer back with flair. Mystery in their chatter, such a lively pair. Perched upon my shoulder, secrets they declare.